Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Hotmail storage full issue. Let's begin. First, head over to the Outlook.live.com or the official websites, sign in and enter your credentials. Once you are successfully in, I want you to go to your inbox, click on that, and you can easily, or I want you to sort your emails by size, okay? So delete old or unnecessary emails, especially those with very large attachments. If you want to keep them, download and store them on your device instead. And don't forget your sent items over here. Also, your deleted items folder, junks, and archives. Okay, make sure to clear them out completely as they also take up storage space without you knowing. Use Outlook's archive feature to move older emails out of your main inbox. This keeps things organized while still saving important messages in your Outlook. And that's it. That's it. By cleaning up large emails, especially those with attachments, and emptying your folders and archiving, you'll free up space and keep your Hotmail account running smoothly. I hope you found this video very helpful.